Hi, my name is Robert Amonte, and the case that I've been given today to present is Robert Lloyd and Manara Lloyd versus the Waffle House, the defendant, which was heard in the United States District Court of the Western District of North Carolina, Asheville Division, back on December 10th, 2004. The plaintiff, both husband and wife, Robert Lloyd being black and Manara Lloyd being white, decided to come and dine in at the Waffle House, and they had noticed in the parking lot there were about 5 to 7 cars. Myra Lloyd exited the vehicle and went inside the restaurant to determine whether or not the restaurant was busy for them to be seated. After that observation and noticing that the restaurant had seats available, they decided to stay. And inside there were 2 white female waitresses and a white male cook who were employees. And there were about 3 to 5 tables and another man who was sitting on the counter. All tables had been served. They then waited for 3 to 5 minutes before they sat down, or before they sat themselves. The staff did not offer them seating, and when they sat down, the waitress suddenly left and went to the back. The plaintiff sat for about 30 minutes. They actually saw a group of 4 white individuals arrive at the restaurant, which that group sat in close proximity to the serving area, and in which case the waitress did not have to leave from behind the counter to serve them. So the plaintiff sat in a booth for about 30 minutes and would not serve, approached, or greeted by the Waffle House staff. The party is alleging discrimination, and they were able to provide a prima facie case, a reputable presumption that he was discriminated. The judge's decision was, in viewing the evidence in the light most favorable to the plaintiff, showed that the plaintiff sat at the counter and then in the booth for 45 minutes and would not offer service by the Waffle House waitress, while the white individual entering after them were offered service and placed their orders and were served their food by the same waitresses in the same period of time. The court finds that the plaintiff had proven an actionable denial of service to satisfy the prima facie case of discrimination.